Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, you can use the 3-key combination Windows, Shift and S. Press 3 buttons at the same time in order to open this tab at the top of your screen. But alternatively, you can do the same thing by pressing print screen button and making sure that the Snip option is selected right here. Once you make sure of that, you can open the list of screenshot modes, and here you have rectangular, windowed, full screen and freeform screenshot. The rectangular screenshot lets you take a screenshot once you select an area of your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Then clicking on this notification will open a window for you where you'll be able to preview your image and also edit it if you want to do that using these quick tools at the top of your screen on the top bar. You can also edit this image in Paint by clicking right here. To save changes, click Save As and select the folder where you want to save your image. And if you want to find your brand new screenshot, go to File Explorer, then select Pictures folder, then go to Screenshots, and the last taken screenshot is the one that was took right now. Okay, so the next screenshot mode is the Windows screenshot, and to take a Windows screenshot you have to click the window that you want to take a screenshot of, and it will look somewhat like this. So it's basically the screenshot of the window exclusively. Now the following screenshot mode is the full screen screenshot, and once you select this option you will take a screenshot of your entire screen. And the last option is freeform screenshot, and basically it's just like rectangular screenshot, except for you can draw any form or any shape on your screen, and the screenshot will be taken and it will look somewhat like this depending on the shape that you drew on your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.